National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Randolph County in east-central Indiana until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Winchester, or 17 miles southeast of Dunkirk, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. At 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado was confirmed just northwest of Winchester by spotters. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Union City around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.